This video, I'm gonna talk about key features of BGP wait. In the last video, I talked about the BGP decision process and a mnemonic that you can use to remember the the BGP path attributes, and it was N Wala Omni. So N is for next hop, W is for wait, L is for local pref, the second L is for locally injected routes, and A is for ES path or ES path length, and O is for origin, M is for metric, N is for neighbor type, I is for IDP metric. And of course we have tiebreakers, which are the oldest or longest known eBGP route. And that is number 10. Number 9. Number 10 is lowest router ID, and number 11 is lowest IP address. But in this video, I'm gonna talk about the W in that Wala, or whatever you pronounce it. That's W. So, which is wait. So I've got a table here, feature and description. I also got this from that book that I'm reading, Cisco. Kind of forgot the title, but it's a long title. Cisco Routing and Switching, Route 300-101 by Kevin Wallace. I hope I'm not mistaken. So, feature. Is wait PA? No, it is not. It is a Cisco proprietary feature that, meaning that wait only works on Cisco routers. It's not going to work on other routers like Juniper routers. Purpose: identify a single router's best route. So basically, it is used to identify a single router's best route. This would be the outbound route or outbound traffic. Wait, you can use wait to influence outbound traffic, and you have to set it on inbound route or inbound direction of the updates or of the inbound direction. So that is scope. So set on inbound route updates. Influences only one router, just like here, just single router. Range 0 to 65,535, 2 to the power of 16 minus 1. And which is better? Bigger values are better. And default 0 for learned routes. So meaning learned routes, meaning these are the learned routes from BGP neighbors, and the value is 32,000 768 for the locally injected routes. These are the routes that are injected using redistribution or the network command. Yeah, defining a new default not supported, and configuration. So basically, neighbor route map. So you just have to you can create an access list to identify the route that you wanna manipulate inside that route map, and of course you wanna create a route map and apply that route map on the neighbor. So this is for per prefix or prefixes, and you can also apply weight on the neighbor itself. So neighbor and then apply weight, and then I think the value. So this affects all the prefixes on that neighbor. So that's it for key features of BGP weight. In the next video, I would probably talk about the features of local pref. So thanks for watching. Bye.